After how many years are we coming to mall today? 6 years, I think. After 6 years. Faces Canada ಅಂಗಡಿ into makeup ಗೆ ಒಂದಿಯಾ
कन्नड़
मागिरी बाकी तिरसुचा कनाडा हो चुका जाए तो के वाह वाह अनएक्सपेक्टेडली आज पुरानी यादें ताज़ा हो गई दाल बाटी चूरमा This is great play zone for kids. The vlog is going to be very interesting. Don't forget to watch it till the end. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to a new video. So Lakshmi Nandan Kamath and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. Oh, I have got all dressed up. It's a Sunday special vlog. We are going out probably to M5 mall here in Electronic City. So we stay in Bedandur Sarjapur Road, but Electronic City feels closer and it has a good mall apart from going to Kormangla side. So that's the reason we're going there today. And apparently the mall is quite new and has a lot of playing area for babies and also good food court, it seems. That's what I read. And it also has a multiplex, but we don't plan to watch a movie today. Yeah, let's go. I have done my makeup. I have done some glittery eyeshadow from a very affordable eyeshadow palette which I got on Amazon, which was broken when it came. Sadly, I didn't get any refund, but then I thought, okay, let's use whatever is present. I blended two colors and I put some glitter. It's bad. I'm learning. I hope I get better. This is my outfit of the day. गाडी चप्पल पुढे पुढे ड्रेस कश करते तश नाही ड्रेस कश दा कुछ We put baby girl in the car seat and started off around 3 p.m. from home. Hi everyone. Hi Karana. Thank you. Hi Karana. Pura janamana like, share, comment, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe and comment. And hi. Hi Kari. Thanks Sanga. Like kari mana nice kari. Like the video. Like. It's June 21st. It is Yoga Day as well as Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to everybody and happy Yoga Day to everyone. Let me share some glimpse from the earlier part of the day today. My mother practices yoga from 10 years and these are few of her asanas which she does amazing. And looking at my mom do yoga, baby Gayatri also ran and came and wanted to be a part of this. Yoga se hi hoga. The only way your body is getting flexible is through yoga. Superb, mom. Oh, very good. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Oh. Yang kiri tangan ada kiri kiri. Kiri. Oh, pakai jalan. Oh, pakai jalan. Tu kiri. Ha. Hey, om terpura. Hey, tu kiri mah, tu kiri mah. Tangan kiri. Oh. Ah. Very good, very good, very good. Kiri. Oh, namaskar. Oh. Oh. Abba. Super. Superb. Best. We have come to Electronic City M5 Mall and we are almost near M5 Mall. It's about 400 meters from where we are stuck currently in traffic jam, and it is saying it will take 15 minutes to get into parking of M5 E-City Mall. Such is the traffic. It's just jam because Sunday evenings everybody comes out of the house and everybody wants to go to the mall. So Guruji's also kanulo tekade. Ani kaso korche. Happy Father's Day to everybody and all the new fathers. All the fathers play a huge role in our lives. Their sacrifices go unnoticed. Jesus give us the best education, best of everything. And you tell it. In my case, I told it and my father just brought it home. I didn't even have to ask. Sometimes I just liked something and I said, oh, like us. Next day, that mango or whatever it was flooded in the house. Yes, my father taught me lot of things. He taught me punctuality, his discipline. He was very punctual always. If he had to be there at 8 o'clock, he would be there at 7:30 itself, half an hour early. That was how my father was very punctual. He was full of life. And a happy Father's Day to all the mothers and all the women who are playing the role of father and mother both together as well. This is Electronic City. That is Electronic City toll. There is metro over there above. Metro line. Mall parking aisle. This is M5 mall. Lulu Daily kaski bras kyanga.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಂಡನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಲಿ.
Oh,
ಎಣ್ಣೆ.
Guruji has a message.
ಕಡಂಜ ತ್ಯಾಂಪಣ್ಣನವರ.
Guruji has been just doing this from past 15 minutes it seems. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲು ಇಟ್ಟು ತೆಗಿಯೋದು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲೇಟರ್ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಕ್ಲಚ್ ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು, ಕ್ಲಚ್ ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. ಇದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರಂತೆ. So he's telling that apply oil to your legs and come. To all the men who are driving or women who are driving, it's going to give you leg pain. And the mall is here, mall entry is here to parking, and yet there is lot of jam. Oh, there trampoline. Some clothes shop, some chaat shop, rabdi wala shop. Mall might be good, but coming to the mall is a pain. It's a narrow service road, and within 500 meters before the mall, it's just getting jammed crazily. And slowly they're letting cars move into the parking, causing crazy jam. Stuck in that jam for like 30 minutes for 500 meters. Baby Gayatri's stroller is always in the car. The M5 mall had good amount of parking, but that parking was also so crowded and full because of a lot of people coming to the mall. This is Lulu Mall. Bhai, samana angadi. Reliance Smart C. ये दुबई च ब्रांड था लूलू मोड़ पड़ा. After how many years are we coming to mall today? 6 years, I think. After 6 years, we are coming to the mall today. Makai tashi kelalta this. This is nail studio here. Nails art, aura, whatever. Eatery ke. This is some shop. Put baby girl in this stroller and got her. Otherwise, it's impossible. We put her in the stroller. There are some more eateries. Too much crowd, bro. After so much back and forth, we finally decided to get inside Lulu Daily. Hey, tapra kaduna. ना ना
ಜೇನುಪಳ ಫ್ರೀ ದಿತ್ತ ಮಂಚ
कथने जन
ಜೇನುಪಳ ಫ್ರೀ ದಿತ್ತ ಮಂಚ
फ्री वांटता सवय हांगाके तितली जन आसा की हांगा सेज गुरुजी युअर डॉटर हॅज सिलेक्टेड दिस किचन ग्लव्स कोणा मोव मार्क घालच्या दिसता ग्लव्स चूज केला तुगे नातीन तुका we have put her in this stroller which she is not at all happy with. She wants to come out but we don't have energy to carry her.
Emotional, damn it!
Big Bazaar al भाव लुलू डेली नॉन चिगी म्हणी आहे पुळी वगैरे पेस्ट के पड़े बिटर गॉर्ड राइस पोडी गार्लिक राइस पाउडर के पड़े शिविकता सच गार्लिक राइस पाउडर हाकि 80 ರೂ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 100 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ लायक लाइट घालनो चंद केला तितलेच this looks beautiful these lightings and all no lightings and all is looking beautiful dates के 600 rupees per kg Guruji is saying the billing line is as big as like entire Bangalore is standing in that line. He wanted to buy something it seems but then he's like no I'll not buy anything. Who will stand in that line? First floor alli bari Lulu Daily Mall. Now let's go to second floor. Popcorn and all is here. I am hungry. I want to eat something. There's a angadi. There are so many angadis. Now some security guy will pop up and say don't click videos inside the mall madam. Till then let's click video. What is happening here? Oh, some games. Here makeup stores are there. Love Child by Masaba and Faces Canada. I want to buy some makeup though. पोळोच अंगडी इल्ले
पोळोच अंगडी लाईन आहे
मला घेवची नाही मा पोळोच मात्र हे पूरा पोळोच अंगडी के कंचे घेवची नाके अंत फेसेस कॅनडा अंगडी इंटू मेकअप घेऊन दिया
ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೊಚ್ಕಜಾಯ್
मागेरे बाकी तिरसूच्या कॅनडा वचको जाय तुके कसं सांगच्या कर्म क्या बांग जाऊची ना ताका भाव मारले वचून भाव मारले स्ट्रोल रडाची म्हणो इक हंग घेऊन भोंची वैवा कूल्ट फाटी म्हणून वचेवार बाई आता देऊन तो म्हण भाव मारता अंक से की गेम के पड़े लाइन आ रबलेंची जन I liked this part of the mall. That design looked beautiful. We ended up clicking pictures here. तीन माळी मात्र दिसतस आणि वरल माळी काही गेले बा I want to thank the person who invented this stroller. Otherwise ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಂಟ ಕೂಲ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಡಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಮಾರೆ Miniso. This shop has so many cute things. Miniso. Just jumping. I think this is for babies. I don't know. Oh, yeah, trampoline type. I don't know how much is the cost. It says 6,000 rupees. This is the trampoline and all that. Oh, you have to leave your chappal here. कसं की नमेशेच पडले चढू अंक ओ tanto भितरी है lot of kids were enjoying in this space but the space was very narrow it was air conditioned but lot of people will make this place very congested best temple the god of तुला चढू आणि तिथले बसुली कोर खातायचे This is some sliding game. You can come out from there, slide. Hurdle game, this is I think. This is some hitting this thing game and sending ball up. Leta ne buzzer se press phone ball by watla. Nation is here. What you got? Enamar, Vismay, big hello. The Soch, Libas. Oh, devare, ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂಗಡಿ. Lobby. The time was 7:30 and we thought let's eat in Barbecue Nation, but it was a very small space and there was a lot of waiting, and we found out that they said we'll have to wait for 1 full hour. They said we'll get a table at 8:30, so we thought there's no point. Let's go to the food court and eat something there. Carry houses kimona next floor are Krispy Kreme, Cuddly. Oh, hang virus pade food court. And this is food court. Fully you have everything: Copper Chimney, Baskin Robbins, Burger King, Subway, Chicken, Pizza Hut. And then there's Rajdhani. This is Jala. I upload 2 long vlogs every week and shorts almost daily, so hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out on these, and let's reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. Yeah, thank you so much. This is Thali Hotel, King of Thali, Rajdhani. So we finally ended up coming to Rajdhani. Randa yene ettastike. Thali special 700-800 rupees I think per thali. Girl is already excited, eating empty chamche and bari kuch jale ba. Kuch tochirate. This was the setup, and the setup itself looked very royal to us.
Chutney, sweet chutney, and then garlic chutney. That is shawarma, cabbage, mint chutney, sweet chutney, garlic chutney liya?
Non-chicken. Okay, garlic chutney it seems. We are so hungry that we'll start eating the chutneys also. This is dokla, I think. I don't know what this is. Dokla, pakoda, papad. ಒಳ್ಳರಿ ಖಾತಾ ಚಾಮಿ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಬುಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜಿ एक दन पर जवीले 8 ಗಂಟೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪಕೋಡ ಕಾವಚೆ ಕಸ ಕಾವಚೆ मैं पिया हो बजा इट्स गुड लेट्स ट्राई द ढोकला that is dal, that is bhati, this is dal, that is ghee. थोड़ा इस पे डाल दीजिए चूरमा. हाँ हाँ बस. दिस इज राजस्थान दाल बाटी चूरमा. वाह वाह, पुरानी यादें ताज़ा हो गई. वाह वाह, अनएक्सपेक्टेडली आज पुरानी यादें ताज़ा हो गई. दाल बाटी चूरमा. यम यम. It's really good. So you have to break the dal, bhati, put dal on it and add churma and eat. So the capsicum are on this, मटर पनीर,
masala, tomato, potato,
dal, curry and curry. Curry is good, very good. Mutton paneer. It is actually good. Roti is here. Oh, they'll add ghee, it seems. Jalebi and रबडी जातास तुमका लायक असवाय कसं की आता असं खातं असं वाढतं असं अशी हां स्ट्रॉबेरी हलवा strawberry halwa and gulab jamun. Curry and roti and curry are all unlimited. So you can eat any amount of roti. And after that, the rice and khichdi also had come. Didn't take rice and khichdi, but the curries and dal bati churma was amazing, and that kadhi pakoda was also very nice. I enjoyed. Let's try this strawberry halwa. स्ट्रॉबेरी केसरी बात कोण दवरला आहे कसं की एक नम्ने लायक असं एक नम्ने कसकी असं लेट्स ट्राय जलेबी रबडी जलेबी इज गुड क्रंची Sweets are also unlimited, I think. They asked another gulab jamun. Gulab jamun was very good. कसं पित्त असं आहे ताक वाय काय तसं आहे They have a kids chair. That was the best. So we didn't have to carry and sit and eat with Gayatri. Kids chair was the best. And sweets are also unlimited. So gulab jamun and that jalebi was unlimited also. Dal bati churma was also unlimited, but I think we didn't ask because we were eating whatever they were serving us. We didn't bother to ask. You drink something like this and this is how you wash your hands. Mobile ut kapado na ila. Bila amo diu ka kashi atra.
आप कार्ड है यूपीआई अच्छा पहले बिल चेक करेंगे कितना
699 thali it seems and then GST adu idu ಹೇಳಿ 2202 rupees. वेळ जल्ला मैं घंटी 9 जल्ला We reached home. M5 mall is very beautiful. It's chandas mother kassa jana. Too much crowded. It has 4-5 floors, okay, and it has a multiplex and food court is on the last floor. Too much crowd, dude, too much crowd. Rajasthani thali. It was very good actually. I didn't expect. It refreshed all our Rajasthan memories. Day. We had great time. If you like the video, hit that like button, and if you're new, please do subscribe and do not miss a video. So hit that bell icon and let's reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. Hype the video to show me all your support. You can hype the video 3 times. Hype. Share it with your friends and let me know in the comment section. Have you been to M5 Mall in Electronic City? Or which mall in Bangalore would you recommend me to try? I have never been to that Orion Mall and Phoenix Mall and all that. Have you been there? Let me know in the comments. How is it? Is it worth a try? Phoenix Mall is the largest mall in Asia, I have heard. I'd want to give it a try sometime. Yes, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.